Hey, this is Nate. Thanks for reaching out in the power washing, soft washing, window cleaning worldwide Facebook group. I just wanted to do a quick site overview for you. Basically, give you 3 things you can do today to help get yourself ranking better on Google. Kind of a little free attack plan. What I like to talk about are 3 things: content, citations, and backlinks, and we'll get into what those are. But we always start with the content. With Google, content is king. Google wants to know that when somebody types in pressure washing Lake Worth, Florida, that is what your site talks about. So they're really looking for the content, stuff like this right here. Google cannot see all the pictures and everything. Your site looks great, but it is a little short on the content. They look for about 1,000 to 1,500 words so that you can really get those good keywords in there. And that's on the home page. On the service pages, they look for about 500 to 750. Most of the sites that I have looked at are short on the content, and it's just, in general, I think we all want to keep it short, simple, and sweet, but Google needs to be able to see it. So as you can see, these guys are pretty short too. They got a couple paragraphs here. They may have, 400 words in there. Looking at this one, they got a couple little paragraphs under each thing, but that's really the extent of what they have too. So super easy to beat out and get those keywords in there and get the right ones. As far as the keywords go, we can see, this is Ahrefs, a tool that we have, so we can see who's ranking for what keywords. You're currently ranking for 36 keywords. These guys have 409, and these guys have 126. And with that, we can actually see what they are. We can go in here and see what keywords you're ranking for, what position you're in. Pressure Pros, that's, kind of part of your company name. So I don't really count those. But like this one here, pressure washing Palm Beach Gardens. I like what I call generic keywords. They say what you do and where you're located. With this particular keyword, you're in the 20th position. There's only 20 people a month looking for that, but because you're on the, you're at the bottom of the second page, you're really not getting any traffic from it. If we go over here, we'll look at this guy that had 409. Sunshine Pressure Washing is his name, so I don't even look at those. Pressure Cleaning Florida, he's in the number 2 spot. There's only 10 people that search that, but 3 of them are going to him, 2 or 3 a month. Florida Pressure Washing, there's 150 people that search that keyword every month. He's in the 13th position, so he's only getting 1 or 2 of those. And what I have noticed, if you're in that number 1 spot, you get about 1/3 of the traffic. Even up here, Sunshine Pressure Washing is his company name. There's 150 people a month that search that, but there's still only 50 people a month that actually go to his website, or 48 because of it. So even when they're typing in your company name, they're not necessarily going to his site. But I like to look for, more of the generic keywords. Pressure washing is what you do. Florida's where you're at. Pressure cleaning, Lake Worth. Those are the type of keywords I really look for to try to get up and running and get you ranking for on your sites, because that's what most people are typing in when they're looking. The other thing is the citations. The citations are what gets you right here into this map pack. And what a citation is, it's your business name, address, and phone number listed in multiple directories across the internet. There's Merchant Circle, Better Business Bureau, Yellow Pages, Yelp. There's thousands of them out there. And the more citations you have, the better chance you have of getting up in here. It also does help if you're already ranking on this front page. Excuse me. But we have a tool called White Spark that we can look at. You're currently showing up with 26 citations. Sunshine has 46, and Power Clean has 21. And this number can easily get bumped up into the hundreds. Within about a month or so, if we were to really start pushing that, we could get it up probably over 300 and just blow these guys completely out of the water. But like I said, citations are what help you get right up here in this map pack. So a lot of times you'll see some ads up here, then you'll see the map pack, and then you'll have your organic searches. The third thing are your backlinks. You currently have 292. A backlink is any site that points back at you. A lot of your citations will help you with backlinks. You can find blogs about pressure washing, read some articles, put some comments on there, leave your link in there. A lot of those will give you backlinks. You can do guest posts on blogs. There's all kinds of different ways to get backlinks. But you've got 292. These guys have just over 1,100. These guys here have 717. So one of the things that we can do is see what those are. I kind of call it the copycat method, but when we can see where their backlinks are coming from, we can go into these same sites and try to get you backlinks in the same places. The reason I call it the copycat method is because we're going to copy the backlinks from the guy that's winning and then go out and try to find you some more so we can get ahead of him. But that's my basic overview. Just wanted to, like I said, give you those 3 things that maybe will help you out a little bit. If you got any questions, feel free to call me, 210-383-8401, or hit me up on Facebook. I appreciate your time, man. Have a great weekend.